How to remove potential spam account from Instagram followers? Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device and ensure you are signed in. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on followers to see a full list of people who follow you. Look through the list and look for the account that seems suspicious. Typical signs of spam account include no profile picture, a strange username, and few or no post. Once you have identified a spam account, hit the cross button next to their name and hit remove to confirm your action. Repeat the process for any additional account you think are spam. Moreover, from your profile, tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then click on Account Privacy. Toggle on the switch beside Private Account to make your account private. Lastly, confirm your choice when prompted. Once your account is private, only people you approve can follow you. That's all. Now you know how to remove potential spam accounts from Instagram followers.